So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading recap. Holy shit, I'm hyped for this shit. I didn't took trades for like the last 2 weeks, bro, and I'm so desperate, bro. I'm so fucking desperate. I want to make this recaps for you guys. I want to take the trades, bro, but like price action just kind of sucks, bro, to be honest right now. But we took 2 days. 2 days, bro. Yeah, we took two trades in the last, like, on Monday and Tuesday. So yesterday and today, and I'm gonna like backtest, not backtest, but I'm gonna recap these both trades for you guys in this video, cause maybe I'm just doing this one in this video and the next like tomorrow from today, cause I'm not gonna trade this week. I'm just not like there so much news going on. Maybe on Friday, but I'm not sure about that. But definitely not on Tuesday and Wednesday. So yeah, I might just kind of like do one today, one tomorrow, but nah, fuck it, we do both. We do fucking both today. So we got like pretty much 1k on this trade. Why did I take this trade? Pretty clear. We had a SMT right here. We had a beautiful SMT. We had a beautiful order block and a beautiful fair value gap zone and a beautiful equilibrium. So we kind of like this trade was pretty sure, because we already got like in this fair value gap and it kind of swept, but I wasn't sure to take this trade, to be honest. Right there, I just kind of wanted to dip in this equilibrium to get like a little bit of more of confluence, and we did dip in this equilibrium, and we made a beautiful liquidity sweep right here on the 5 minute, or better see on a 1 minute probably. Like a beautiful liquidity sweep right here with a breakup structure to the upside right there, and I was kind of sure it's gonna break, that's why I entered a little bit earlier. Normally you should enter there, of course, but I kind of entered there because I knew it's gonna break. um, and yeah, price then went on to go up like fucking crazy, and we hit like 2 TPs. I gotta go on a higher time frame for the other one. So we got this TP right here and this TP right here, and we hit both actually. Nah, no, this is not the TP. That's a TP. Yeah, I remember, cause I remember this TP got hit like from yesterday, and this TP got hit today. So yeah, it was a pretty clean trade in my opinion. We got beautiful highs. My bias was bullish for the whole day because we were really bullish for the whole day. We were bullish on a, where am I? We are bullish for the on a 4 hour. We are bullish on a 1 hour. We got like kind of like, I was first of all I was looking like on this imbalance down here, right? I was looking at for this the whole time, but then I thought like, nah, my bias is so fucking strong. I'm going on lower time frame, fair value gaps and imbalances. Watch out for that, and just entry off that then, and kind of paid off as you can see. So this was like roundabout wrong K made yesterday and today. That looks interesting. But we did both profits. Yeah. I don't know, bro, what this fucking candle was or is, but I'll take it. So we got this inverse fair value gap on a 1 hour. I'm gonna like fuck this lines, bro. I can delete it now because I just knew I want to make a recap about it, so I'll just leave it there until I do the recap, but it's kind of pissing me off. So yeah, to this trade today. We got a 1 hour inverse fair value gap. I was looking for a like market structure switch, and because we took out every single high, right? We took out this high, we took out this high, and the next high we're like up here, and I was like, yeah, no fucking way. So I was kind of like looking for like bearish confluence, and we had a beautiful 1 hour inverse value gap, and I thought like that's gotta be it, because we broke structure on the 30 minutes to the downside, and I was looking for a good retracement, and this was a great retracement. So I marked out the lows, I marked out the two London lows, the one daily low was a London low. We already took out Asia low, which kind of like threw me a little bit off. But that's like only, I don't know, both TP hit that, but that was like only $600 because I kind of traded low risk on that one because we already took out Asia lows. And the trend overall on a 1 hour was still kind of bullish, you can say, and especially on the 4 hours was like, yeah, prices kind of like sweeping everything out, as you can see here. And yeah, but we were in our equilibrium, perfectly lined up with the 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, what the fuck am I saying, with this 1 hour inverse fair value gap. I love to see this shit when this equilibrium is perfectly lined up with this like bottom of the imbalance. If you go for a short, this shit is the most satisfying thing to see, because you fucking know this shit's gonna work out for like 80% of the time. So what did we do? We took this trade, took this trade on liquidity sweep right around here. You kind of see this green mark, right? This one. And a little bit after, we formed this S&T, which kind of like got me more confident in this trade. I was still confident. I don't take trades if I'm not confident in them, but this was like not a big confidence that was like, yeah, I'm fucking with this. And we swept this shit out and got a breakout structure probably on a 1 minute somewhere. Like there were a couple of breakout structures, but I wasn't looking for them. I was like entering of this shit, bro, like literally of this shit, because we like swept this liquidity. I was looking for a good entry the whole time. Like I don't want to, and I was about to entry like roundabout here, but then I was like, there's no fucking way, no way I take like a 1-to-1 trade. That's not my thing. I always go like for 1 to normally 2, but I had 2 positions as one, like for 1.7 or something. And I was like, yeah, we gotta get in this, right? But my bias was so strong that I straight up entered, try to get a good entry of that with the liquidity sweep. I did kind of get an okay entry of that, and it worked out with this one candle. It was pretty funny because I was watching like Netflix, and I was like down $200 the whole time, right? The fucking whole time I was like down here like 100, 300, 200, 250, and I was looking at like 250 like 10 minutes before. Then I look on like my MetaTrader and I see one position is fucking closed and the other one is like profit for like 350. So I was like, what the fuck is happening? And I kind of made a mistake. I closed the second position because I didn't know what's going on, bro. This was like insane jumps on the market and kind of threw me off because it wasn't planned of my strategy. I mean, I take it, but you know, I had like no control over my own trade, and this is where like kind of like thought, yeah, I'm playing the safe game and just go out because I don't know what the fuck happens. I take it because trade was looking bad, to be honest. It wasn't the best trade, and yeah, but it played off pretty good. So was it really a mistake? I guess. Did I make a bunch of money off this shit? Fuck yeah. So yeah, I don't know. It was still a kind of a good trade. It was like a B setup. And yeah, I just kind of fucked it up that I closed the position because I actually would pass another funnel with this one. But now I just need like, I don't know, not much, like 2% of this funded. And then I passed another funded just like that. And this looking fucking great, bro. The journey is looking really great. So I'm not gonna trade this week, but hopefully we see next week again. Hopefully with great price action and hopefully with a new funded. So let's get it.